Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix error 0xC1900101 when using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This error often appears when you try to upgrade from one version of Windows to another, such as from Windows 10 to Windows 11, or even during a Windows 10 build-to-build update. It's usually caused by corrupted system files or incompatible drivers. Let's walk through the steps to fix this issue. Step 1. Run System File Checker SFC. Click on the search icon and type CMD. From the results, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. When the command prompt opens, type the following command and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This tool will detect and fix corrupted or missing system files. Once the scan is finished and any issues are fixed, go ahead and restart your computer. This ensures all changes take effect properly. Step 2. Rerun the Installation Assistant. After rebooting, try running the Windows Installation Assistant again. Make sure your PC meets the system requirements for the new version of Windows you're upgrading to. You might also consider re-downloading the Assistant tool to avoid any installer corruption. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Windows upgrade should work without running into error 0xC1900101. Thank you for following this guide. I hope it helped. See you in the next tutorial.